Hi, hello, very good afternoon. Once again, Dr. Mahesh here. Today, I am going to expand about amniocentesis. Majority of the people they are unaware about this amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is one of the biochemical tests or prenatal examination, where we are going to determine the genetics of the developing fetus of the mother's womb. So this is a test done during first trimester of the pregnancy. So this test is performed a mother is above 35 years, the quality of the egg will be diminished. Hence, the fetus may be default. To understand whether the fetus is default or healthy, we are going to test with the help of this examination called amniocentesis. So as the name is itself suggesting amniocentesis, amnion and centesis. Amnion is the first embryonic layer which forms an embryonic sac, where within this amniotic sac there is a specialized fluid called amniotic fluid. And centesis means examination or testing. The main physiological function of amniotic fluid is it provides nutrition to the developing fetus, and it helps in respiration, exchange of respiratory gases, excretion, and mainly it prevents the baby from the external shock or any mechanical shock. This is the physiological function. When it comes to the clinical significance of amniotic fluid, by extracting the amniotic fluid, we can determine the genetics of the developing fetus, because the amniotic fluid which has fetal cells, these fetal cells can be subjected for further procedures to know the number of chromosome. If any deformities in the number of chromosome, then the baby can be easily aborted. Let me discuss about procedure of amniocentesis. The first step, the patient or the pregnant woman is subjected for a preliminary test like blood grouping, RH factor, high BP, and then her stomach is cleaned with the antiseptics, and a specialized gel is applied on the surface of the abdomen. Using ultrasonic, the exact position of placenta and amniotic fluid can be observed. By using sterilized needle, it is inserted into the amniotic sac through abdominal wall, and about 10 to 20 ml of amniotic fluid is taken. Then this amniotic fluid is subjected for centrifugation process, and finally the fetal cells are separated. Those cells are subjected for chromosomal testing, like this test is called karyotyping. Finally, we will get to know that the exact number of chromosomes, like in human beings the normal number of chromosome is 46, the 44 is somatic chromosome, and two chromosomes XY or XX is the sex chromosomes. So that any deformities in somatic chromosomes or sex chromosome, the baby should be aborted. Like whether if there is an increase in the number of chromosomes like 47, 48 from the, or decrease like 45 or 44, the baby should be aborted. So this is the main procedure. Hope so you people are understood very well. In the next video, I will come with a new subject. Until you have to wait. Thank you so much for watching my video.